going down. Oh my God! Greetings from Nyack, New York. Today, I am in search of World War I era, or I guess pre-World War I era tunnels in forestry. They were built 1910, were serviced for about 3 years before they abandoned the project. And now, as the story goes, they lay abandoned and in ruins in this park, in these hills. So join me as we take a gander and see what we can find in these tunnels. So, in addition to just the tunnels that were used as a way to walk around the military base undercover from, the firing range. So you see there's a lot of stuff already. I mean, I just started walking, you can still see the road, but we still have, I guess this looks like foundation of a building right here. So I'm not sure exactly how expansive this is. I just know it's somewhere here. Alright, this is just, doesn't look like much. Let's keep going. Let's see, we got a whole lot of nothing. Whatever this is. But it's a sign. So, I'm going to keep going that way. And see what I find. So, it looks like I'm more running along a deer path than a trail. I hope this is still the right trail. It's just getting more and more overgrown. Oh, it looks like it clears up a bit down there. Yeah, I saw some more deer, some more holes in the ground, concrete holes. But nothing that I can get into yet. So, it appears I have found something. I don't know. Concrete with graffiti on it. That bright blue graffiti sure made it easy to find once I got close enough. Alright. So, you got something here. I'm gonna get off this wall before I fall. There's some stuff over there. Oh, this is a whole... Ooh, what's that? Is that what I think it is? It appears so. Oh, whoa. Yep, here we go. All right. So this spot right here is the thing that got me so intrigued. Is because it's, it looks like some, I don't know, magical portal to the underworld. But, so what I can see too is that the tunnels, it looks like, did go this way. And then collapsed. So here we are. Let's go. Oh. Got my hat already. And my water. And thanks, rebar and spider webs. Did I rip my hat? No, didn't rip it. Water. Now I know I probably could have just gone in down here, but I wanted to use the special tree. So I am about 6 foot. So these are 6.5 feet tall. hoping this light does the GoPro justice. Okay. Yeah, that's minorly nerve-wracking. But these are 115 years old. So, I guess that's what your place. Whole thing is fucking cockeyed. I don't know if it's coming through, but it's like it's not square no more. Oh, there are still a lot of bugs in here. Almost dying again. Alright, so this was just the one. That was pretty short. But, let's get this off. There's supposed to be more, so I'm gonna take us down that way. As I was saying, I really thought the ticks would be gone by now. Apparently, I was wrong. There we go. All right. So, I pretty much just rounded the corner of this wall right here, and we have found the oh wait, there's light coming from the other side. I thought this was a tunnel. What have we found? Who knows? Ah, another whatever the hell this is. So from here, you can actually see houses and the road. We're not that far in the middle of nowhere, really. But, okay, courtyard of some type. Nah. Oh, hello there. That's not ominous at all. How deep is that? Whoa. Oh, I really thought I could hop down that. No, thank you. That is deep, but there's stuff down there. Please don't be a body bag. That means there's got to be a way. All right, so this is. Hold on. I knew these would come in handy. At least I think. These looks kind of dim. So this ends here. I'm really hoping this is coming through. This ends here. This can't just be a room. That would make no sense. There's no way to get there from here. What the hell? That makes no sense. Okay, that is just a big room which I can't see anything. And the only other ports are here. All right, let's keep going. So I was walking back, and I don't know how I missed this the first time, but there's a memorial right here. Rest in peace. Was that say Jansen? Yeah. Huh. Rest in peace, my friend. And then that honestly explains this. Which is really pretty. Whoever did this did a really nice job. So I'm walking along the line where the other tunnel was. I'm finding stuff like this. So I'm guessing it has to open up somewhere over there. Because otherwise, I'm not climbing through that. So, right? Yeah, makes sense enough to me to keep walking. And the piers, I was right. I could either keep going down that way and see, like, if I could get in a more comfortable way. Otherwise, I'm gonna check this out because I want to explore some. Oh, this is... Oof, wow. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can get a good angle of this. Okay. Going down. Oh my God. Look at that. So that's that way. And I'm gonna throw my hood up and try to be brave. Which, after seeing that dude, bravery is to be desired. All right, let's go. Hi, buddy. We're friends, right? And by friends, I mean you're gonna stay away from me and respect my personal space. I hate that, but whatever. I'm here. Okay, let's go. Oh my. Okay, yeah. I'm not afraid of a couple spider crickets, but that entire black mass is spider crickets. So here I am standing at the end of the tunnel that I was just in, and we can all just pretend that I walked through this. You see, I hope you can see the light all the way down there, but that's where I started. See, like, something like this, the height it should be, like, 6.5 feet or so, I can do that. If I saw spider crickets now, I can do that. But if I'm in a tight space, and there's a lot of those things, catch me not. I'll just walk around. Right, this is what I'm talking about. So, I came to the end, or almost the end of the wall. That's the word, I can speak English. And it go down. It go down and has what appears to be a tunnel. Now, it's just getting down and getting to that tunnel. I wonder if that little ramp right there is... I don't know if that makes any sense, but that would be stairs if this is a unit? I don't know. That go down. Oh, wait a minute. That's open. That is open. Okay, well, I was kind of right. It was stairs. Ooh, this whole thing's open. All right, so next mission, get down. So I'm really hoping that I can get in here from the other side of this, because that goes yonder, and that is all sectioned off for reasons I don't understand. So it looks like I can use this as a foothold. Enough. Success. Glass. Oh God. So much for these stairs. What is that? Oh, that's totally doable. All right, yeah, that's fine. This is gonna be fine. My buddy Kevin always said that was gonna be my last words. It'll be fine. Hopefully not today. Okay. Oh shit, this is... Oh, no. I'm not tall enough to go down that way. Hold on. I'm trying to be more flexible than I am. Okay, come on. Oh, there we go. Don't break my hand. Oh. Great success. I have a feeling there's going to be some crickets in here. And spiders, so I'll walk for a bit. See what I can find. See if I end up coming out the way I came in, or not. Go. This one seems to be in actually a bit better condition. No, spoke too soon perhaps. Oh, they're jumping. I don't like when they're jumping. You gonna be good for me, please? Here we go. Right. Another one of our friends. See? Just friends. Just friends. Ooh, this go. Okay, yes, this is now going up. This one is the coolest one. Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Don't follow me, please. First something we saw in here. Look at those things. Look at them. Oh my God. It's like the perfume department in SpongeBob. Okay. Yeah. Spider crickets jumping on my head. I can feel them. Keep on keeping on, right? And freedom. Let's go. Whew. All right. So, against my better judgment, I'm gonna attempt to get into here. Yeah, I don't know about this one, but yeah, those thorns. All right, well, let's see. How bad can you be? Let's see. How bad can you be? My old coping song. How bad? Oh, fuck! Woohoo! Hello, you. Oh, that moved too. I'm not going in here. Here's another hole, not very far from the other one. So, upon further professional inspection, it appears I can get down there. And also, I could just use the trees. Ooh. Yeah, it does not look like a fun place to walk, really. But at least now I know what it looks like. Alright, let's get out of here. So here I am, on top of the tunnels, instead of inside them, back by where I did the sketchy thingy to get in the lack of stairs. And from what I've seen, I've more or less saw it all here. So with that, I will say goodbye and thank you for watching. And if this is your type of thing, please consider subscribing and sharing and joining me on my upcoming adventures. I'll see you guys next time.